Hi developers, this video is about merge operators. So in my earlier videos, we have discussed creation operators, transformation operators, filtering operators in RxJS. So this video is about merge operator that combines the multiple observables into a single observable. So let's generate a component ngc RxJS merge operator. So it will generate a component with 4 files: template file, HTML file, CSS, and class file. Okay, so let's go to that file component. We will import this component in the app component. So it's imported successfully. We will take the selector. Okay, and we will add it in the HTML file of app component. Okay, so now let's go to the code. Now what we will do, we will create 2 simple observables. Create 2 simple observables. Okay, so const observable1 is equals to of. This is how we create the observables. Let's say it has string hello. Okay, so what it will emit? It will emit hello. Okay, so of operator we need to import it. Let's import. Okay, a class member cannot have a const keyword. Okay, so let's make it let. Okay, we have observable 1. Let's create another observable, observable 2. Here we will write instead of RxJS. Okay, so what it will emit? It will emit RxJS. So now we will merge the 2 observables. Merge the 2 observables. How we merge it? Using the merge operator. Const merged is equals to, we will use merge operator on observable 1 and observable 2. Observable 2. We will use here ng-on-init method. Once the component is instantiated, it will run our code. We need to import it, or we can add it here. Const. We use const. Here we will use const. Okay. So now what it has done, we have created 2 observables and we are merging these 2 observables. Okay, and we will use subscribe method. Okay, to get the output in console. Merge dot subscribe. Okay, result. We will do console result. Okay, now let's check it in the browser. Do npm run start, npm run start, and let's check it in the browser. So what we have done, this observable one, it will emits the value hello, and observable 2, it will emits the value RxJS. And merge operator, what it is doing, it is combining the two observable into one observable, and that observable name is merged. Okay, then we are using subscribe method to console the output. Okay, so this is the concept of merge operator. So this we have created the two simple observable first. Okay, so currently it is building the project. We have created the two simple observables hello and RxJS, and then we have merged that using the merge operator. So now let's go to the browser. So we have got hello and RxJS. So this is the example of merge operator.